So, on this week's episode, we're in tune with nature and people. So, I followed my yoga instructor to a session she was having with some students, and this is us stretching it out, and oh, the sun and the greens, and there she is behind. It was a good one. I'll do that again. In fact, I should be doing a lot more. And this is me doing my solo stretches under this breezy. Love the breeze. Nice. Oh, and the stretches came in nicely. Just in sync. Stretch it in, stretch it out. Yeah, I'll let you in on my excitement in a bit. So I got spotted by my yoga instructor, Lori, and there she is displaying a beautiful headstand. Oh my God. I can't wait to get to this level. Yay! Follow her on IG Stretch with Lori.